Everywhere we go,
Everywhere we go,
people always ask us,
people always ask us
who we are,
who we are,
and where we come from.
where we come from.
So we tell them, we're from Nature Calls.
Marooned 5!
Get away.
Marooned 5! Marooned 5! How about a story?
Oh, yes, please, Jack. I so love your stories.
Just as long as it's not scary or gross,
Oh,
alright,
you
please,
win.
Jack? No, I just don't think it's helpful. Not in the mood.
So, there I was. It was a dark and stormy night. I was sitting in my living room playing Fortnite.
Fortnite? How old are you?
Fortnite is a very excellent game, thank you, and I won't have you speak ill of it. So anyway, I was in the living room when all of a sudden I heard a tap, tap, tap on my window.
Was it the postman?
No, it wasn't the postman.
Postman is an outdated term. Our postie is a woman.
I saw their hand. It had long fingers, long fingernails.
Long fingernails? You sure it wasn't Shelley at your door? Yoo-hoo! Jack! It's me! Shelley!
Shush, it wasn't me.
Who was it?
I'm so glad you asked, Ruth. As I said, it was a stranger. And they said, "See what I can do with my extra long fingernails."
Jack, I said no scary and no gross. This is both of those things.
Do, 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 do. Oh.
I thought that was weird, so I decided to go to bed and read my Bible.
Much better.
I was studying the grand old book of Nehemiah when all of a sudden there was a tap, tap, tap on my window. And the stranger said, "See what I can do with my extra long fingernails."
Oh no, he's back.
Indeed he was. But I decided it was just the wind. I'd fell into a deep sleep. And I had a really strange dream. Probably because it was the 20 cheese pizza I'd eaten before tucking myself in. When all of a sudden, I was woken up by a tap, tap, tap at my window. And there it was, a terrifying hand. "See what I can do with my long fingernails." I pulled up the covers to my face and I cried out, "What? What can you do?" And then it was so loud, it was deafening. "See what I can do with my extra long fingernails."
I can't believe it. It's all a stupid joke.
Got ya! You should have seen your faces.
Okay. I've got one. You ready? Where does a sheep go on holiday?
What?
To the Bahamas!
That reminds me of a time when I dressed as a chicken for a fancy dress party. Can you imagine? So I wanted to be really lifelike. So the whole party. I was literally doing this. My friend Sally, she went as an egg.
It's an egg!
She kept bumping into people. She's like, best night of my life.
Oh, I bet you guys made a cracking pair.
Yes, pretty excellent, have to say.
Surprised you didn't get expelled from the party.
Yeah, Shelley, it sure was a plucky move. Don't worry, Ruth. Just wing it.
No, seriously, Ruth. These jokes aren't all there. Cracked up to
On a roll.
What's up?
Nothing.
There must be something wrong, otherwise you won't be crying.
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay. We can just sit together.
I haven't been sleeping much recently, and I feel really sad and really lonely.
lonely. But you have me. Us.
I know. I actually feel more alone when I'm with everyone. Oh, you don't understand. I'm sorry, I'll just stop talking.
No. It's okay. I can see you're really down. This is no island paradise. But God can give us joy in our sadness. He can give us paradise in our shipwreck. Sometimes I feel sad too.
Yeah, but this is more than that. I feel sad all the time. Even when I'm having fun. Sometimes it really hurts.
I understand. I hope this helps, but God can give us joy when we're feeling sad. When life's difficult. And times are really tough. And we're all here for you. Anytime you need it. And I pray for you, Hope.
Yes, please.
Father God, we ask that you would give Hope joy in her sadness. Amen. Come here. Come on, let's go and have some fun.
So why it was funny is because we were all talking about eggs.
Oh, you're back! The Marooned 5 reunited.
Okay guys, we're gonna have some fun now.
Charades?
Absolutely not. We're gonna have a dance-off.
What?
Come on.
Yeah!
Look Jack, I can do your stupid Fortnite dances. Hey!